Watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Welcome back. Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff joining us now. Jason, about this time tomorrow, trick-or-treaters will be getting ready to head out the door.
They will, and it looks like Mother Nature is going to cooperate with us. We have some good-looking weather for Halloween itself, a nice way to end up the month of October, but we're not too far away from big changes in our weather pattern also. This morning, it was still chilly in the mountains. We dropped down to 19 in Alturas. It was 24 in Boerne, 22 degrees in Chester. The valley, a little bit milder, mainly 40s for overnight lows, and Mount Shasta was 35 this morning, had a high today of 66, but look at the warmth that we had around the valley. Upper 70s and lower 80s. Doesn't feel like late October, but by the time we get to November, it's going to feel like November. So clearly we have some high clouds outside. We're going to lose a lot of those over the next couple hours, but many more high clouds are going to replace it by tomorrow morning. So we'll have a partly cloudy beginning to Halloween, a clearing of our sky. So by 5 p.m. it's looking really good. Just before the sun goes down, we'll have a few clouds here and there, but still looking delightful for trick-or-treating. Just make sure you watch out for all the ghosts and goblins out there when you're driving around, and everyone can have a safe time. Then we get to the first few hours of November. It's going to be a lot different. Areas of rain and mountain snow for Siskiyou and Trinity counties, western Shasta and Tehama counties too. That's going to sweep across our area through the late morning and early afternoon. So a good chance for valley rain, mountain snow, gusty wind. It's going to be a lot cooler starting on Tuesday. We'll have a brief clearing of that sky by the time we get to Tuesday afternoon, but we still have more chances for some more rain and snow showers, some more cool air, as well as some more gusty winds. Still some lingering showers of rain and snow on Wednesday. It won't be quite as windy, but it will be cooler Wednesday than Tuesday. What a beginning to the month of November. Thursday, we're going to have decreasing clouds, but still some gusty wind, and it won't be much warmer. Friday, we're going to have a break, but we're going to have increasing clouds, and then another Pacific storm wants to move our way. A slight chance for showers on Saturday, and then a better chance for additional rain, a little bit of mountain snow next Sunday. And don't forget, Sunday morning at 2 a.m. is when we fall back an hour. So when you go to bed Saturday night, that's when you want to fall back 1 hour. We're going to gain that hour, but it's going to be a lot darker at night. So I'm going to show you the fine resolution forecast model for our incoming storm, bringing healthy amounts of rain from most locations. Everyone receiving something. The valley mainly between 1/10 of an inch and 2/3 of an inch, and the mountains precipitation-wise up over an inch. As far as the snow is concerned, we're going to have a decent chance for everyone in the highest elevations to have measurable snow. Some places between 6 and 8 inches possible. So we already have, for the first time since May, a winter storm watch out for the Sierra, the eastern foothills, and the plateau. That goes from Tuesday morning through Wednesday afternoon, with some places receiving over 8 inches of snow. And what about that Halloween forecast? Well, it's still looking good. You're not going to have to worry about any rain or snow. Looking fantastic for trick-or-treating. It's going to be a treat by 7 p.m. A gradual increase in the clouds, but still looking very good as we move into 8 and 9 p.m. Temperatures in the valley between 60 and 65. Again, watch out for all the trick-or-treaters. Make sure everybody gets there safely. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. We'll have a partly cloudy sky in the morning and more sunshine in the afternoon. Highs in the 60s and 70s for the northwest. Also a chilly morning, but a mild afternoon for the northeast. Highs also in the 60s. For the ridge, lows tonight in the cool 40s and 50s. Highs in the 60s. For the valley tonight, we'll have increasing clouds. Lows in the 40s. Highs in the lower 70s. And for the valley, for the areas around Chico, lows tonight in the 40s. Highs also in the lower to mid 70s. Next 7 days in Chico, it's going to be a lot different by Tuesday and Wednesday. Gusty wind, valley rain, and mountain snow. Those highs are going to fall from the 70s into the upper 50s and lower 60s.